In front of me is TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to tap on Device Unlock and tap on Face and Fingerprint Unlock over here. Enter your screen lock and tap on Face Unlock here to tap on Start at the bottom. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select Done, hit OK, and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can start Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!